It's kind of a little bit pity because they have a lot of cool stuff going on, but I so much lost the overview of what's going on there.
Yeah, it's really hard, you know.
Yeah.
I have an idea
Yes.
to open a thread in Slack and everybody to share how many points they got in week one in Cloud Hero. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely we can try it. I'm not sure, like from the communication in the Slack, I'm not sure many people are following the Google Next. You know, this is like totally pity what's going on because nobody has a overview what's going on there, and a lot of
Mhm.
interesting presentations as well, which are for the most part I think being missed somehow. I
No,
thought, yeah,
like in the achievements channel, to put Cloud Hero week one, and in that thread, everybody can share like a screenshot of how many points they did. You know what I mean?
hmm.
To make a thread instead of making it a conversation locally.
Yeah. Let you. I'm fully supportive of it. Let's do it.
Maybe we can watch some demos.
Yeah,
These demos
demos
are good
demos of what?
of their solutions, and these are good because the demos, you know, it's good because you learn how to build solutions. I think I didn't watch any demos yet, but I think I will do that. 12 o'clock.
Yeah,
My God.
let's go live then.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, Dino is there again with us.
Hey, Dino. You should go to sleep. It's early in the morning, Dino. God knows what time is there. We cannot hear you, Dino, but you are muted. He's talking. I cannot hear you.
So, okay, hello everyone. We are live now. Today is or like this week is the third week of Google Cloud Next conference, online conference this year. Welcome everyone. And if you have any updates, if you are following the conference, there will be in total 9 weeks up until middle of September, I guess, right, Nina?
Yeah, I think it's until September 8th.
Okay.
And I was thinking that if anyone, give me just 1 second, I want to share my screen. And if anyone can go to join the Cloud Hero, so you reserve your spot. I don't know how many spots they have, you know, but I will do that. For who is new to it, I will show it. For who knows, it's better. So I will send the link and here in the chat. Maybe we can share it even for people in Slack. I don't know. So I shared it in our chat here. So what you do, you go and copy this code here. Let me see if I can make it bigger so you can see better. So you go here and you copy this code and you say play now, and it's opening this page, week 3, Cloud Hero, and you click join the game, access code. If you have problems, try with incognito page. I don't have problem, but if you have any kind of problems, you might want to just do it in incognito. And this week they have a lot of labs. Luckily, some of them they are beginner, so they are very short. They have 7 plus 4, 11 labs in total. So Kubernetes, the second one, and the first one is cloud engineering. GCE, I think. Yeah. And GKE. And you have some additional documents here. What is this? Change. I think these are like FAQs, with the rules and things like this. So did anyone got into the game? Let's see if anyone from our group. I'm the 4th one in the list. So this game, it's available until 8/4, so 1 week. Again, I hope so I can make it. $28 so far. Did anyone get their spot? I hope this week I can make it to finish all these labs. I have so many things going on. Yay, Dino. Go and do the first one, Dino. It's very easy. This one here. This one, 45 minutes. This is very easy. So, and also some of these labs, if you go here, did you see in the left-hand side, you have some videos. They give you a short walk through the lab. And here you have some instructions. Keep in mind that in this lab, this first one that you see here, you will have 2 users. So you will have to go to click Open Console, log in with the first user and the password, and go again, click Open Google Console, and log in with the second username and the password. This is your project ID. Usually when you create like a bucket, you have to give it a unique name. And many times, because this is only, for us to practice in real world projects, you will want to have a name that it's saying something to you, that it's related to the project that you are working on or something. But in Quick Labs, what I do when I have to give a unique name, I copy this project ID and I name my bucket or every resource that needs to be unique, because this project ID is unique. So it's easy and you don't have to figure out what name to give. And when you see this save button, you can just click here, and without highlighting and going to copy, just click here and it's copying in the clipboard. Let's see what we have to do here. Does anyone else want to do something else, or we are good with going a little bit through this code lab to see what it is about? Hi, Anna. Anna from New York City. Oh.
Great.
Hey, she is GDG New York City.
Yeah.
Hello, Linda. Thank you for the invite yesterday.
Yeah, I invited her last night, midnight, or 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, the GDG work happens at all hours.
Yeah. So did everyone
Before we,
get?
Linda, just a moment before we go into details, people who will be with us until the end, like the whole hour, we will have a raffle at the end, right, Linda, with 4
Yes.
winners this time.
Yeah.
And the prize will be 1 month subscription of what was it? Pluralsight, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm
Okay.
working.
And throughout this call today, we will just reveal some other stuff which are going on the Google Next. And now we will deep dive into this Cloud Hero. Back to you, Linda.
Actually, I am working with some other. We are working with some other sponsors. I have a deal, but I have to do some steps, and I didn't make it to have it for today. But I'm hoping for next week to have even some books or something like this, if anyone is interested. And if anyone knows any other sponsor that we can contact, and please suggest, and we will contact them definitely to make available what you need to take your exam. By the way, Karen, let's congratulate who passed the exam this week. I saw in LinkedIn lots of people passed the ACE exam. Is anyone in the call? So we can say congratulations and clap hands. And no, nobody. One second. So nobody on the call, but I saw in LinkedIn people from our group that already passed the ACE exam. Okay. So for who arrived late in the chat, if you can go to this link and get your Cloud Hero spot here. I'm pasting. What you have to do, you go here, copy this code, click play, and put the code, and you are in. So as I was saying here, this is not always they have 2 users, but this here you work with IAM. So that's why you need 2 users. Because you will have to give permissions to the other user, take the permissions. So in order to work with the IAM, you need the 2 users. That's why you will see this. So keep in mind, if you have problems with the browser, try to refresh your page and remember which user you log in and relog in. Otherwise, try with the incognito page, because what happens sometimes it's 1 second to just turn off. Sorry, I got kicked off from the meeting. So that's what it is about this code lab. So I encourage you to take this quick lab. It takes only, it says 45 minutes, but many times you have more than you need it. Maybe that it will take you only 15 minutes. And when you arrive to these parts here, you have to click check my progress. Also, sometimes when you start the lab, you have here on the top like 0, 15 points. If you see that when you click this check my progress, it doesn't change your score here in the top. Sometimes you can go open that sliding menu bar and you can click run this step and it's adding the points. So don't worry. And yeah, this one it should be very easy. So I would really encourage you. I took these labs like I don't know, God knows how many times. Maybe I should try one. The only one problem, you have to do it very fast. And if you don't do it very fast, you don't get a lot of points. So this is this. Do we want to share everybody for the week 1? Give me just 1 second. How many points we got? Karen. This game. They don't even let you anymore inside. So I guess you don't have a screenshot.
Like if somebody has have problems to enter the Google Meet room, we have a streaming going on as well, so you can use the chat there. It's like kind of second backup channel. Yeah, we can absolutely go into this details, like who is where on the leaderboard.
I just observed, Karen, yeah. Sorry. You cannot go in, so you cannot take a screenshot unless somebody has a screenshot of their points, you know what I mean? Otherwise, they just close it. You cannot go in anymore. Too bad.
Oh, okay.
They say it's expired and they don't let me in, so I guess this is gone. Okay.
But if anyone have any experience with Google Next so far, if anyone has been actively participating there, we would love to hear it. Your experience with Google Next. This is their first time when they do it online, so really we would like to hear what's your experience, guys, with this conference. Do you attended a lot of sessions there, like participating in these challenges? Or completely missing? If you are also missing it, share with us why. Why is it like this?
Yeah. Also, for until if you want to speak, try to unmute yourself, and you can interrupt me at any time. So, what they do, if you miss any of the, for example, of the cloud study gems, they have the videos and they are on demand, and you can go to watch walkthrough of the code labs that they had in competition. Last week, what they did, they had the G Suite, I think. Yeah. Did you see? Getting stuck. Maybe we should take some of this Google Meet and watch a little bit download. And here they had the professional collaboration engineer certification. So keep in mind that tomorrow, if we go here in the first, always the first one is tomorrow and they move it to the end. So they will come all. So if you look here, let's see what they have for tomorrow. How's that journey started? So this, who takes the ACE exam tomorrow should watch it. I will. Here they have the Associate Cloud Engineer Certification Prep. And they have some quick labs. Did you see the first one that I showed you? Oh, man. Oh, no, this is the cloud monitoring, is not the IAM. So they have 1, 2 labs, hands-on labs, 3, 4. But so tomorrow they have both exams, the ACE exam and a professional exam. So depending what you are, what you like to achieve, I really suggest you to be present tomorrow in this session. So give me just 1 second.
Linda, are there back to back? I think so, right?
Yeah, back to back. Yes, they changed because actually was supposed to be both in the same time. This morning I received an email that they changed and they put it back to back. So this is a plus for who likes to watch all of them. So, for example, for
So if it's a 2 p.m. Eastern daytime, it means in Europe, in Central Europe, it will be plus 6 hours. Will be 8 p.m. A little bit late, but I think I will. You know what I will do? I will put it for tomorrow as a meetup, because it's important one, you know, and it will be back to back, 2 sessions. I will be putting it as a meetup, so everyone will be able to attend it, and I will be also streaming it. So if you have any problems attending it, you can watch the stream, and also afterwards, after it finishes on the next day. Because for Asian friends, it will be too late, way too late.
Actually, they will have even the recording the next day if you miss it. I'm pasting the link here. The only one thing, if you attend when it's live, you can ask any question because they have the Googlers connecting during the session. And any question you might have, you can ask and they will answer. When you watch the video the day after, you don't have this benefit. So just keep in mind that if you can attend, it's much better.
Yeah, I'm curious to see if I think they're putting the recordings on, but they have live people in the chat, so they will basically answer you in the chat. But the recording, like the session itself, is recorded.
Yeah, definitely, you are right. Everything is recorded because you know they don't want to.
You have to prepare clearly. You cannot.
But the benefit of having someone to answer your questions, and I think all of us have questions, especially for the PCA exam or for the ACE exam. So here are the benefits of attending what they say here. Upon successful completion of each week's study jam you attended live, earn an e-certificate of participation. So if you are attending, you will receive this certificate that you attended, and you can join the Cloud Hero to play anyways. Everybody already got their spots, I hope so. And earn Google, this we already know this part. So the only one other thing benefit is this, that you get the certificate. So I already pasted the link here in chat for all of you who is interested in attending, and I will definitely attend. Also, do you see here in give me 1 second, I will share this cheat sheet. I already shared it. Do we have it in our survivor guide? But I will share it again here. If you go at this link, and if you are interested in passing the exam, they have here some demos. I didn't watch them, but I'm going to watch them because usually in demos, they show you how they build solutions for big businesses, for corporations, for people who want to go to the cloud. And give me just 1 second. If we click, what's going on here? It takes you here too. So it's always the same page, but it takes you to the demos. And you have a better understanding of everything you learn for the exam. No, you watch these Coursera videos, you take the quick labs, you take the quizzes, you read the book. But here you have demos. I'm not sure. I will watch it this week, some of these demos, and see if they really. So, for example, here it's interactive. So you go to build a solution, the cloud campus experience. Let's launch the video to see it. Exactly last week we was talking with somebody about the, and she could not find the link. So here is the cloud campus experience. I don't know what is this demo. I'm just curious. Does anyone know what is all these demos? If it's a real world project that they build, or it's discover how Google Cloud can help and support it. So I guess, I don't know if I have to click on something. Oh, okay. Wait a second. It's just loading. My computer got so slow because of the recording. So let's go to see what we can build here. Wow. Never was so slow, my computer. Yeah, so here, did you see IT implementation, how to integrate Google Cloud services into your institution's infrastructure? And in the other one, what it is, institutional impact, how Google Cloud supports student success, faculty productivity, and research. Let's zoom in, okay. And I guess you have to go to open it, and is building a solution for you. I'm not sure. But I would suggest that you explore all of this, because especially the demos can help you understand and put in practice what you learn. Explore ways to help the planet to collect sustainability to build your community. So if you like games, take it as a game,
Nice.
but you build a solution. So keep in mind that if I was in you, I will really go after our meeting, because my computer got so slow with all these pages open, and it takes forever to open. Okay, and it takes forever, but I guess this might be fun, a fun way to learn. You know what I mean? What is this? Okay, so this is for you to explore today or
So
tomorrow.
these are different badges, Linda? This is like Quick Labs badges, but different type?
Yeah, I guess so. I was reading there, and you have to build a solution actually here. So you go click to learn more about, and then add solutions that are important to your community. Turn data into impact. So you have to read all of this, and after, I think you have to click here and see what enable real-time collaboration. Equip students and faculty alike with impactful real-time collaboration tools like Drive, blah, blah, blah. This is G Suite.
So the incentive to do it is to learn stuff and get badges, right?
Yeah. So, and you go to the next one, improve students' insights, draw actionable insights and built-in AI tools to help prevent students from dropping out and adopt the best study habits. And you add it to your... Actually, here it should show, but somehow it's not showing. Oh, it's... I don't know what happened here. Here is... Well, did you see start to grow all the kind of stuff in here? I don't know how to play it, but anyways, the point is to go to... did you see? So you reduced emissions, blah blah blah, by 9, how much?
It really looks nice. I have to look into it. I think it looks really interesting how you actually apply these services in a real world case. In this case, it's an educational sector, you know.
Yeah, so I never knew, but actually not last week, 2 days ago, we was talking about this, and the girl could not find the link to send it to us, but I will send it to her now. So yeah, so you read here, and you build the solution, then you see now all the trees are growing and you protect the ambient and so on. So this is if you go in the cloud OnAir, cloud next, you have here OnAir, you have explore session in demos. So they have all these demos, and you can learn. This was about G Suite, but you can go to see other solutions, what they have. Here, for example, they have about AI, artificial intelligence, ML, all of this interactive, I think, these three, see next generation. So the ones that are interactive are like this, and the others are videos, so you can learn. So I will definitely suggest that all of us go through these demos, because you can learn, and it's a fun way. It's easier to remember than when you just listen a video and you try to remember the names and things like this. So this so this was only for 1 week, the first week industry. For the second week, you have others. So I guess, or it's same, I'm not sure. Okay, so you go for the demos, you go in each week, you click these tabs. I'm discovering it myself. I'm really happy because we was talking about, so here you have about the G Suite, because the second week they was talking about G Suite. And the third week, since they are talking about the ACE, and I don't know, maybe they will have something for our exams. So here they have the migration to the cloud, the servers, reduce complexity. Okay. So did you see even here they have these interactive ones? So I think these ones should be fun to do and to learn, and we will see who gets more badges. Okay. Okay. So far we missed the first week. We didn't do it. I didn't know actually, so I just discovered it.
Can you do it later or only during the actual week?
You can. I did the first week. I opened that one, was the first week. The one that I opened first, this one that I was playing was the first week. Here, did you see? I think I did it.
The campus thing, yeah?
Yeah. So you can take it at any time. So this is a nice tool. It's only just my computer a little bit dropped his performance. So I will close it and I will do it later, this one, because I want to read it and think of it and learn. And so this, let's see, what else did you get? Anyone else has something to share with us that could be insightful? And here you have what is this week in our cheat sheet. You have all the talks, and you can go to see which one you are more interested in. I will share.
What kind of cheat sheet is it?
It's for the Cloud Next.
But it's not official blog, right?
Oh, this guy, I think
this guy's face look familiar. Who is this?
I think this guy did that cheat sheet for Google Cloud. Let's see. Give me a second.
Yeah. This like a PDF with like all the services in 4 words, something
I'm
like
not
this, right?
sure. I'm not sure. Let's see. GCP cheat sheet. I think it's only 1 word, but that's okay. Oh. GitHub. I'm not sure. Let's see if it's him. Yes, it's him. I wasn't sure. I don't like to say things. Yeah, it's him. That's why it's so familiar to us.
I just wanted to add that I'm pretty sure it was him who posted a Google command line cheat sheet, which is super.
Yeah. Yeah. So I have it.
The command line cheat sheet is pretty new, right, Anna?
No, is
Absolutely, I saw it like a couple of days ago, and I was very happy because I'm not a master
No,
of that.
yeah,
Any
this is
questions on that?
Linda. This is a cheat sheet for services, and what Anna talks about is a cheat sheet for Google Commands. It's I think it's new, but
yeah, you are
yeah,
It's
right.
very
I
new.
think it's a
I saw
brand
it
new.
very like literally a couple of days ago and emailed it to myself because I need to study those. Oh, there
Yeah,
we
you
go.
are right.
Well, July 21st looks like the first thing.
I had
Oh,
it.
I can find the link. I saw it on Twitter because I believe I follow that guy on Twitter.
Yeah, I think somebody shared it on. Give me a second. Let's see if I can find it. UCP, maybe this one. I think I even saved it on mine. Let's see. I'm not sure if it's this one. But I think this one should be. This is great. I really like it. I found it, Anna.
Oh,
Here
you
is-
did? I was
Yeah.
looking through the emails.
Actually, you know what? I have this one tab. I really like it because depending on what I work, I save the tabs. And when I need it, so I can close everything all together. If I need it later, I can open it, and I have all the tabs all together in the same spot, so I don't have to go to. So yeah, I just share it with everyone. If you learn for the exam, this one should be.
Oh, here. Let
Yeah.
me see if my link is the same.
Yeah. Yeah, somewhere. Kartik
Oh, I
said,
have a different link. Don't know if it's the same.
send it.
Uh,
Okay.
This is what I found
Okay.
a couple of days ago.
Let's see. Yeah.
Or
This one was
even it could have been yesterday. Very new, I think.
Yeah. I think that somewhere somebody shared it with me also. So here you have even the printable one. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, this one it's even better. So guys, what you do, you go here in the link that Anna shared, and if you go and click here at the top, printable PDF, you get this one, and it's so nice. And you have everything. Nice. Thank you, Anna. I seen it myself in Twitter, but I forgot about it. Let's see. Good. I'm not sure if I say truth or lies. Oh, I had it. Did you see it was here in my tabs from 7/28? Oh, yesterday. So yeah.
Wait, what is this? How do you save tabs? One tab? Is that an extension?
It's a Chrome extension. So, for example, if I have a meeting and I'm in the middle of working on something, I save everything. Here, do you see this extension? It's here. So if I click this, it takes everything and put it in one tab. And I can go, if I have a meeting, I prepare all the things that I need for the meeting, and I just go and reopen it, and I have everything at once. So I really like it.
So instead of bookmarks, it's better?
Yeah, much better.
Thank you. I need that.
Yeah, because I always struggle, and Google Chrome takes so many resources. If you have 10,000 pages open, it's like crazy, you know. So that's why I use it. So thank you. I really like this one. And because these are the things that we should learn. I hope so that they do for all the others, you know, like GS, Util, and all the others, BQ, or what they have. I hope so that they do some cheat sheets so you can have all the shell commands in one place. And I would like to mention something. Who is learning for the ACE exam or for the PCA? Most of the people, they struggle with these comments. Let me make it, if I can, a little bit bigger. If not, I will open the one that I downloaded. It's here. So, because one time we was talking about this and I never went through it. So if you look at the syntax of this command, so you have gcloud components installed. Did you see that the verb comes in the end, update? It will not be gcloud install components. It's gcloud components install, gcloud components update. So you have the noun, the adverb, and the verb. So if you learn the syntax, it will be easier when you have, let's say, questions at the test. They give you like 4 versions of the same command, but they change things around. And so you have gcloud is always first. Now you have the service. For example, here you have IAM, Identity Access Management. Here you have App Engine, app. Here you have out. So if you learn this pattern, it will be easier for the compute engine. You have gcloud compute. So if you remember this part, for each of them, gcloud out, container, gcloud out. This will help you a lot. So try to visualize the similarities, because this is like a syntax. If you learn the syntax, it will be easier to see which ones are not good from the questions on the test. And in the end, so you have gcloud, and in the end you have all the others, and the verbs and what you have to do. So first the gcloud, the service, and what you do: gcloud app deploy, gcloud app versions list, because you want to list the versions of the app engine, and so on. So keep in mind that if it can help you, for me, it helped me a lot. And I never fail these commands in these questions when I got, you have this online tests that you can test yourself. And I never failed those. So that's how I did it. I hope it helps you too.
Yeah, the rule to put the verb at the end is a kind of tricky, you have to remember.
Yeah.
For those who are in Germany, it's easier because when Germans ask questions, they always put the verb at the end, so you can kind of connect it with this one.
Oh, okay, for me it's not the same. So for me, I remember because I did this way. Nice to know. Okay, so this is done. Let's go back because it's too many. What else do we have here? Thank you again, Anna, for sharing that. It was nice.
Sure, very glad I joined. Love your study group. I hope I didn't miss many.
Karen or someone on the group, because can someone update all these links in our study guide so we don't actually I don't lose them, because I have the one tab, and when I need something I just go and search for some keywords and I find it anyways, but
you mean the study guide for the exams, right?
No, our survival. Even in study guide, this might help even who is doing the exam in our study guide. Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
So
yeah, it's a great idea. I have to, after the recording, I have to put the updates together and push it.
Actually, what I could do, because I have all the links, I never close any tab. I could go, I save it, and after I go to put it there, I could do that also. So here also what they have in June or July, they had this Talks DevRel on Google Cloud. But I guess they got some requests, and they are all, you can watch them on demand. But I think they got some request or something, and they are doing it again. So if you have time, I'm not sure if they still have. No, they don't have. I remember that they says that they are doing it again. I read an email. Because when they do it live, what you can do, you can go and ask your questions. If you have troubles or something, let's see, it's everything. Here it's for, I think in Chinese or something. But they are all record. No, here they are doing it live. Unfortunately, I don't know Chinese, so I cannot. But maybe they do it in English, right? Or they do it in Chinese, I'm not sure. So, because sometimes if they, so only the first one is on demand. And, so they are doing it again, because at a certain point you could watch it, was everything recorded. But did you see but they don't have when it's scheduled. Week 2, what is week 1? Missing week 3. I'm not really sure what happened. I will have to look into it because they don't have the videos. Here you can add it to the calendar. Okay, wait. Here is this week. So evidently now they are here talking. Week 3, July 31st, when it's in 2 days. So you can watch it. And if you have questions, you can go and ask them. So yeah, they reschedule it. Okay, perfect. Only week 1, it's missing somehow. They don't have it anymore. Okay. So if you are interested, I will really encourage you to watch it. And if you have questions, you have the Googlers in chat answering as always the questions. So this is another thing that they do here in. So this is on Fridays. So do you see you have Greg, what he did, he break it down by days, by weeks first, and after by days. What you have on Monday, what you have on Tuesdays. So you have like today, we have the Cloud Hero. You can take appointments one-on-one with experts. I suggest you take advantage of this. It's nice. I'm not sure if they do it only for the businesses. Like, for example, I want to bring my business on the cloud, or they are doing it even with have a specific cloud challenge facing you today, get help. Okay, so this is if you have a challenge, you can take a one-on-one with the Googlers, 15 minutes appointment with the Google expert. That has to be, the thing has to be aligned with the session topic of the week. Appointments can be made 2 weeks prior to the associated topic. So for this week, we are already late. So,
Linda, I think they have to promote this guy Greg, you know.
Yeah.
He put some order in this mess, you know. He created cheat sheet for Google Cloud Services. He created cheat sheet for G-Cloud command line, and now he put it actually together in the sensible way, the whole agenda of this Cloud Next. You know?
Yeah.
Just on one page.
Really neat. I really like
it.
You are right. So, and on Wednesdays, you have the Cloud Study Gems. If you are interested to see the hands-on labs, walkthroughs, and certification webinars, so you can ask questions. I have a fly. I don't know how it came here. On Thursdays, they have the APAC-friendly study gems. So on Wednesday, they have the US one, like our, how you call it, time zone. And APAC, what is Asia, right? Time zone. And on Fridays, as you see, they have the talks DevRel. So if I was in you, if you have any question, if you, I will be in all of these live sessions asking questions, really, because they have experts answering to your questions. We might answer to your questions, but I don't think so we can compete with their experts. And he break it down here, all the demos. As you can see, in each day you have all these demos for by day. So you can explore. So by week, sorry. So if you go in the first week, you have all of these things, and you can go to see which one you are interested. If you go in the second week, you have these others and so on. And at the bottom, you have the demos for all that week. But I would suggest to keep in mind this cheat sheet because it's really nice. And after you have all the videos, and you can read to see what it is about. If you are really interested in any of these subjects, you can go to watch the videos or the live presentations on air. Anyone else want to share something with us?
Speak up, people.
Speak up. Okay.
Hey, Karen. Hey, Linda. How are you?
Hi,
here.
Brijesh, hi. We are fine. How are you?
Sorry, I joined at 10 minutes late, but I was listening, Linda. She was explaining well.
Thank you. What's
Thank
going
you.
on in your life? Any new certifications? Any progress with exams and Google Cloud or anything else?
I registered for ACE exam on 25th October. Let's see.
Yeah. You took time, right? Like to prepare enough.
I still a lot to prepare. Everybody giving heart attack. Like the questions are very phonetic, very different, very difficult.
Yeah.
So,
but Linda actually marked in the beginning that a lot of people from our group actually passed ACE, the basic foundations exam, already this week, end of the last week. You know, it's a kind of coincidence, what is nice. They were silently preparing for this in the stealth mode, you know.
Yeah, Bhavesh, I'm taking the at home. I choose the option at home. Yeah.
You have to be crazy not to choose the option from home, right? It's the right time, the best time.
Oh.
I like it so much from home, you know. It's uncomparable to any test center.
Me too.
Yeah.
I have to drive like 30 minutes, depending if it's traffic, even more, you know. I fixed this because I was missing the links for each study guide. So I fixed this. Do you remember last time we was talking about taking the exam home and what happens if you have internet problems and you drop from the exam? And I told you that sometimes here happens that we have like a big storm and the trees break down the wires and we are no internet, no phone. It happened last time and we had a big meetup coming up and I was so stressed out. I said, what happened? It was so sunny.
Yeah, but this the COVID is not going soon, especially in India. Every day the numbers are getting increased. It's growing like anything. So probably for next 6 to 8 months, we work from home. In that situation, it's a risk to go to out and give the exams. Let's see.
Yeah.
You heard, guys, you heard the last news yesterday from Google. They ordered everyone to work from home until the middle of next year or something like this. They extended it dramatically, and they are one of the first tech companies who did this kind of move.
Yeah.
Yeah, they extended till
article in the
July.
Wall Street Journal about it. Until summer 2021, Google is working from home.
Yeah. Kalyan, this is what you were saying also? Someone
Yes,
trying to jump on?
yes. Kiran, can I have 2 minutes? Just want to share my.
Absolutely. Yes, yes,
Yes,
go on.
hi team. I'm really pleasure to join this meeting today. I just want to share that I am successfully completed associate cloud engineer and planning to
Woohoo!
take
You
certification
completed.
on.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm
yay.
Clap,
yes.
clap, 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 clap.
Thank you very much. It was incredible support from the team. So the sharing the information. I've been was taking training for 7 weeks dedicatedly for 3 to 5 hours sitting on that and to complete this
Wow.
and getting the knowledge. So thank you very much, and it was really. I'm looking forward next certification. I'll already I planned for that as well. I'm working on it.
Which one
It
did you
was
pass?
very
Ace? Which,
associate.
okay, so you can do some classes with us,
Yeah,
especially
sure.
with me. I'm so dumb, and maybe I
Cloud
passed
hero
the
level.
exam myself.
Yeah, I was very impressed and inspired by Linda and Kiran as well. I was,
He didn't understand what I say. I says
yeah,
maybe you give me some classes so I can pass myself the exam.
yeah, I do understand what you are saying. Yeah, I do understand the classes what you're saying. Yeah, but we are still learning from you, your experience. That's
Um,
way we guided and we are
I,
moving forward. That inspired from you only and Kiran
I
as well. Yeah,
I was
so
so
and
happy.
everyone. Yeah.
I think you shared on LinkedIn, right?
Yes, I'm in LinkedIn. Yes,
Yeah, you
yeah.
shared your
Yeah,
experience
even
because
Karen and I tag you today in the LinkedIn, and really thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much. Thank you, team.
You are
Yeah,
welcome.
Hey,
Thank you for
Raja,
being such
before you,
a hardcore learner.
yeah.
uh,
Thank you, thank you very much.
hey Raja, before the topic got changed, I got notification from Bhavesh. He is saying it's difficult to give exam from home. So could you please share your experience? How was the proctored exam, or did
yeah.
you give it from any center?
Did you take it from home?
No, I have taken from. I went to exam center only because the internet was not stable. Why? Because I have a good experience when I am doing Azure certifications. I have done couple of certification, AZ 900, 103, and recently completed architecture of Azure. So I have same fun challenges in the home. So I decided not to take challenge on the Google Cloud, which I have the first certification. So I went to the exam center over there.
I got you. That's
Hello.
okay. Anyone likes to share?
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi, Linda.
I
Can you
reserve
hear
it.
me? Yep. Okay. Cool. I'll share. I took the ACE certification from my house. So
Did you pass?
that yeah, I did. Uh,
Congratulations!
yeah.
Yay!
Thanks. Uh,
Yeah, two
uh, uh,
people.
so what I'd like to share is that okay. The important thing is you will have to install this tool called Sentinel for Windows. So that will basically lock down your Windows operating system while the test is going on. So what you should do is before your test, reboot your computer, um, close everything else except your Google Chrome browser, and install the Sentinel plugin. And after you install that plugin, you can do a test. And if the test is successful, just leave it like that and start and log in and take the test. Because like for me, what happened was I installed the plugin uh, three uh, 3 or 4 days before the test started. So on the test day, when I started, they immediately let me take the test. After I did 2 questions, the tester realized he has not verified my ID and all that. So they suddenly stopped the test and they asked me to turn on my webcam, show my identification and stuff. After that, I could not resume my test. For some reason, there's something wrong with the software bug or something. So I ended up I had to reboot my whole laptop. I came back and I contacted the guy. he rescheduled my test half an hour later. And then I logged in again. I continued. So
Do you
yeah.
suggest to remind them to check your ID before the exam in case they forget, or should we just let it go and they interrupt us? What do you think? What should work better?
I think it's better you just you can type in the chat, just ask, do you want to see my ID?
Okay.
Yeah, but the thing is that software is a bit buggy, so you just have to be prepared. And I think the examiner knew, because when he said, okay, just continue. If you still cannot get back to me, I tried for 5 minutes. I could not. I told him, and then it's like he knows that will happen. So he told me, okay, I will reschedule your test. Connect back in 5 minutes. And then he pushed my exam timer by half an hour. And then I had to reboot, reinstall that Sentinel plugin, and then continue the test.
Okay, so we have to definitely restart the computer before you take the exam. That will help close everything.
Yeah, restart, install Sentinel, don't open anything else, just leave your Chrome browser. Yeah.
Somebody asked if works in Linux, in Mac also, and somebody answered yes. It doesn't work in Linux so far. Is that right? Do you know?
I know it doesn't work in Linux. I'm not sure about the Mac part. Yeah. As for Windows virtual machine, I think don't take the chance because at the end of the day, if nowadays the software, they can detect if you're in a virtual machine or something, and they might just say no, you cannot run your test in a virtual machine. So
Because I have Windows virtual machine in my Mac, so I have to take it in Mac if they have the version working.
What you can do is when you go into the webassessor.com.
And what about your preparation? Like, did you get any help from the Udemy, the link which is shared for the exam, or some kind of a dummy test and all?
Yes, I have both A Cloud Guru and Linux Academy, so I was using their practice tests a lot. But one thing I realized is that both Linux Academy and A Cloud Guru, they are okay, but if you want the best coverage, you must also read the Dan's study guide, the book, because the book.
There was a break. We missed the last point. You said that
the book, the study book and A Cloud Guru with Linux Academy. That's how I passed.
So
did you mention any third site also? A Cloud Guru and the Linux.
Yep. I'll put the A Cloud Guru. I'll just type it out in the chat.
I think you can Google it.
Thanks a lot.
Cloud Guru.
But one thing you guys must remember is that Dan's book, right? Because it is a book, it can cover a lot more than video tutorials can. So yes, from the book, even though there was a lot of the book had a lot of information, how I mainly use the book was I will read the questions first, and then when I realize I'm failing a lot in that chapter, then I start reading through that chapter, because I was using Google GCP for about 6 months, but I only use the standard things, virtual machines, little bit of load balancers, cloud storage, the normal stuff people start to use. So the exam covers a lot more, like the serverless, the app engine portions, and IAM. So the book really helped.
So if you like to buy with 50% discount Dan's book, here are the links, and he has 3 guides so far, and you have here the promo code, and it expires December 31st. They launched this offer on Google OnAir. We have it in our study, in our survival guide. So if you go there, you should find it. But if you go in, do you see study gems? Where are the study gems? Here. No. Study gems. So I lost it. But if you go,
so Raja, you mean to say, sorry, Linda, you mean to say the book is better compared to any video and all? We should follow the book rigorously.
You must have time to follow the book if you, because the book is a huge thing. Yeah.
500 pages.
Yeah.
My gosh.
Yeah.
I read it 2 times. I read it 2 times, but you know, it's like I'm reading it, and after I finish the page, I have to go back. I didn't understand nothing.
Yes.
Linda, did you read like novel?
Huh?
Did you read like novel?
No,
Any novel
not
book?
like novel. I read it and I didn't understand nothing, and I had to go again and reread it.
Yes.
It's really
because yes, all of them sort of help each other, because like you read the videos, it's easier to learn from the video, but if you want more information, you go to the book. So I think a shortcut would be you do the videos, and then you look at the exercises, the questions in the book. If you still don't understand, then you either read or you do your own research. So for me, the book, because it was 500 pages, I go to the questions first, not the text.
I read it. I even made notes for myself.
Yes, we agree, Linda. We accept your word.
Now you trust me that I read it. No novel. I wish. Trust me, I can read a book, 200 pages in 2 hours. This one, 500 pages, took me 7 days, and I still like, oh yeah, I still don't remember, and I had to read it again so I can remember some stuff. It's unless you are, you know, when I was younger, I was learning faster. Now I'm getting older, you know. It takes me longer to process, my brain takes longer, you know. So I guess he is young enough to learn fast.
One more thing is the quick labs they recommend, right? The workflow that you use during the exercises, they somehow help you with the questions at times. Like I had some questions on cloud operations and on connecting manage instance groups to load balancers, and I forgot the questions, but basically if you do the exercises, the workflow, you do it a few times, the workflow will give you hints on how to answer the question. Yeah,
And they have this. Did anyone try these GCP solutions to create solutions? And you go and you have here all the graphs, how you call it? Oh man, sometimes it doesn't come. You have all of these chart flows, how they call it, like charts. And you see how they connect all the services. So you have the APG, and you have the cloud CDN, the load balancing, and here you can connect the cloud storage, the Firestore, the cloud SQL spanner, and so on. So, and here you have your microservices, the GKE, and here is your backend, and you have some words about the solution. Did anyone try this data warehouse, let's say shopping cart.
I'm seeing this link first time. Could you please ping the link in the chat?
GCP Solutions. Give me 1 second. GCP Solutions.
It's in our study guides for the
Okay.
Google Cloud exams somewhere, but you know there are many links, so no wonder that you missed.
But for someone who is visual, because there are different kind of people. There are people that they like to hear something, and they are learn better by hearing. There are people that they like to see, and there are people that are good with their hands, so they like the hands-on. But usually, if you combine all of these methods, will help you, because I like, for example, many times to hear and see. So the videos help me a lot. But and I like the quick labs because it gives me that experience that I cannot get by just listening and trying to remember that words and things like this. So, and here you have, for example, another solution of a shopping cart analysis. So here you have the Cloud SQL, the Cloud Data Store, and for what they are using it. So here is data in analyzing customer behavior. So here what they do, they analyze the customer behavior to see, the shopping cart dropping, how much percentage they go to buy, and things like this. So here you have inventory data, Cloud SQL, sessions, Cloud Data Store, and you go with data flow to bring in the data, normalize data. And here with Hadoop Spark, they are processing. With Cloud Data Flow, they are processing this. And here they are showing, so you have the analytics. So you can, with Data Lab, you can go and show the charts. And here they have the shopping cart, the app engine, browsing with compute engine. I don't know. So I have myself to look a little bit into it. So I don't know. Here they have like solutions. What is this? Did anyone try it? No. And here what is? These are tutorials. So you can go for, it's like quick labs, but different. So let's say big machine learning, no, Internet of Things, architecture, development and test, this DevOps, gaming, media, mobile application, networking. Oh, I hate networking. This will be good to learn. So here you have some solutions, retail and commerce, security, even security storage. Let's go on. And these are tutorials, so you go step by step and you build a solution. So they give you so changing the cloud, the storage class of older, less frequently accessed data can significantly reduce storage cost. In this tutorial, you configure a bucket lifecycle to do this automatically. So they give you like a little bit of overview and some links, and this is like, the theory that we learn. And after you go to, and you know that they have that free tier that they give you like $300, the GCP free tier. And you can go to do these labs. These are not like quick labs. You have to do it in that one. So GCP free tier. And if you didn't get it yet, you should be able to have, it's like 300 they give you free. And many products are always free, no matter what, even if you, so I will share this link with you. And you can even build these solutions, but pay attention if you start, usually when they do these labs, they are trying to do it that you don't get a lot charge and you can stay on your free tier. But keep in mind, if you do like big query, that is like, so get solving, what is this service? Let's see. Somebody share this link. Let's get solving with. Oh, nice. Thank you. So these are solutions that they build, right?
Perspective, yeah. So my name is Ajinkya Kulle. I'm a machine learning and data.
Okay, so nice. I will save it for myself. And usually, if you go for the solutions, it helps you because not only you take these courses and you read the book, the solutions put all this because what is doing the book and the courses are breaking down each service. When you go for the solution, they are building the solution and they are interconnecting all the services available, and it makes it easy for you. I don't have cloud the Linux Academy. I got a promotion for a cloud guru for, I don't know if it's 1 week or so. I'm almost done with the course. I'm hoping myself, but they are really good, even them. So I'm doing Coursera and the cloud guru in the same time. So I'm not sure. I don't even remember how I logged in here. Login. I have an email that it's only for subscriptions, and actually 2 emails that it's only for subscriptions. So, where did you? Where do you go to take that quizzes that you said?
You can look for exams.
It's not in the course. You have to
No.
go. Where? Like here in the top? Labs are the labs, bro.
I think you have to search for it. I forgot.
Practice exam, this one?
Yes.
Okay. So I will do that. I'm trying to finish it. I don't know when this subscription, I got it for free, so I don't know when. Okay. So I have all of this. Okay, I will try to see. So 50 questions, 2 hours for each. Okay. Perfect. I will try that. Thank you for, because I was wondering, I said I never seen it, but I do it. I take this course on iPad because, and this way to watch the videos, I don't have to stay at my desk. Sometimes it's too much. So yeah, so I will try it, and next week I will let you know, guys, how it's going, this practice exam. I never did it. I just watched the videos, but the videos are really good. That I can tell. I did on 85% of this. So, and the playground are like quick labs, right? I didn't do any of them.
Yep.
Let's see. Okay. So you can go here and, okay, perfect. But the quick labs, I did a lot, and now I feel more comfortable. It's kind of easy. The only one thing I have to remember, for me, I don't know for others, I really have to remember the terms that they are using. I have the only one thing, if you can make, for example, an association for what you use, for example, the app engine, the cloud functions, the ones that I work with, it's easier to remember. The ones that I didn't work, it's kind of difficult. So that ones I really have to, to learn and go in there. So I have the paper one, but it's an old one. Now they have a new version. This is 2019. The cheat sheet that they had at the time. Okay. So anyone else would like to share anything else? Linux Academy, I don't think so. I have anything. I have only the free community thing. Nothing. Even here. It's so difficult to catch up. There are so many
Yes.
so many things. It's like crazy. You don't know which one to do. Here I don't have it. You see here it's locked. I have only this, the free version, nothing else. The actually Cloud Guru, I think they have free for July, but I'm not
Yep.
sure if this
Yes.
is available, if it's locked. You cannot do many things, but you still can take some of this stuff and go through. I guess I'm not sure. Let's see. Didn't start here, but this might be the. Did you see this one? I have to upgrade. How much is $50 a month? Even this one. Okay. So no, but they have some free training. Cloud Guru. I don't know where is the free. They have something like learning paths. And they have like something like a very links, free learning courses. I think they have.
Just
This one, July 2020.
Yep.
This one they have. And I think I got it's this. Give me just a second. The one. This might help you, you know, to get to see if you really like it and you want to pay for the subscription. Where it is? Because I remember Control F. GCP. No. Google. 1, 2. Essentials. This one. Google Cloud Essentials. It's pretty good, you know. And this one is free. I didn't finish it. I did only this 4. Yes. I'm still. But you can try it. It's only July, so you have another 2 days. I think after that they will lock it.
Okay.
I share the link with you.
According to the chat, they said in August, A Cloud Guru and Linux Academy are going to combine. So they might give a new pricing with everything together. So that's supposed to be 380 USD, I think.
Lots of money. if you put all together, no, like the book, how much is like 50 if you have the paper book, like 30 if you have the you know, if you add it up, it's like you have to work full-time job to pay all of them. So if you can get these resources for free,
Yep.
just go ahead. And what is this? Let's say somebody shared. Google Cloud Certified Associate, and $14. No coupon. So when you get coupons, just grab it. So now it's 1:20. Does anyone else has anything to share with us, or do we like to?
I got one coupon from Ali for tomorrow morning exam. It's about Enterprise Database Cloud Transformation Architect. I've never heard of it. So anybody got?
Are you going to take part?
Sorry, Kiran.
Are you going to take part there?
It's a free anyway.
Yeah.
Nothing to lose.
Yeah, absolutely.
Did you get email?
I didn't get it, but someone has one like, you know, one additional which they cannot use, so they shared it with me. I will be there probably. It's 7 a.m. in Germany tomorrow, so it will be pretty early. And this one is a completely new one. There is no, it hasn't been taken before by anyone, I guess.
So, Karen, are you going live tomorrow also?
Yeah, I mean, I can.
Okay, so I will open YouTube as
It's
well.
an insider joke for everyone if somebody doesn't know. One day, I think a couple of days ago in the morning, like 3 a.m., I woke up to sit in this Alibaba cloud computing exam. But I was so bored. I just turned on the streaming, and I think like 20 people were watching it while I was taking exams. I actually passed it, and I didn't prepare, but it was kind of fun to share it with everyone.
Did
And then
anyone help you?
I killed the video, so it's only like a couple of buddies who got insights how it goes on.
Okay, did you make the video private?
Yeah, I did. But you're a private person between us. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Karen, you are a bad boy.
Yeah, just bored sometimes. You know what? While you were talking, I created this meetup on our page. I just posted it right now into the
Oh.
chat. It's
Oh.
all about this certification. It will be 4 hours long, and we will be, surprise, surprise, streaming it as well. If you don't get a seat or something is wrong with your official stream, we will be also restreaming it so you can watch it on our YouTube channel as well.
Let's
Otherwise,
attend.
well, yes, Linda?
Let's attend. I just added. Let's add it to the calendar. Done. I did it.
That's nice. Yeah, because it's a big chunk of sessions, everything related to 2 exams primarily. ACE, the Associate Cloud Engineer, and PCA. But more to the end. The PCA sessions are closer to the end, Professional Cloud Architect. So basically, both of the exams are super interesting for our group because this is our main exams which we are concentrating on. So we shouldn't miss them. Like this is the certification bunch which will come in this whole 9 weeks. This is a concentrated set of sessions, and you see the agenda there. So yeah, sounds and looks very much interesting to our group. That's why we put it as a separate meetup, as a placeholder to draw attention.
Yeah, definitely. If I was in you, I will be there. I will see how it works with my agenda because I really like to ask some questions. Let's see.
It
Tomorrow.
works really nice for Americas, right? For your time zone.
If you work, if you have meetings or something, doesn't really work. I say it's better if it's night. So depending, that's why I'm looking to see what I have in my. So it's. Give me just 1 second. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow I have 2 things. 3, 2, 4. 5 o'clock I have 2 things. I don't know how we'll do, It's so difficult when you have 2 things.
Yeah. The nice thing about sorry, Linda. The nice thing about our stream, we will try to catch all of the sessions consequently, like one after another, and you can access the stream after it's finished. So at least you will be able to watch it in our stream, but single sessions will be available also directly from the original from Google.
Who recognized this guy? This one is in the Coursera course for the ACE exam. Brian Rice. Does anyone? It's so nice to look. You can recognize their faces, the ones that are in the courses. And also, what I would like to mention, give me just 1 second. I'm looking at the names. I know Magda.
Linda, I think you know everyone there. I would be worried if you will see someone whom you don't know there.
Philip Meyer. He is the one who is doing the work through Quick Labs in Coursera courses. So we have to be there, guys. They are our teachers.
Absolutely.
So it's 1:30. What should we do?
Yeah, we should do Raffle, I guess, right?
Yeah. Do you have a form? How do we do with the names? Do you have a form or something to?
Yeah, we have a form similar to the last week. Last week we did also have a raffle. So the plan is to have it every week. Make sure to join on every Tuesday until September something, right? Whenever they will finish this Cloud Next. Here, the form for the raffle, I will put it again in raffle, and it's also a feedback form. So don't hurry. Just go there, fill out the form. It's a super short one. And if you have any recommendations or if you want to improve something in this kind of meetups, weekly meetups for Cloud Next, let us know in the section, in the comment section of this form. I will make sure to share it also with our YouTube stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, take a couple of minutes.
Can you do the raffle?
Yes. Let me just quickly find this wheel of names. Again, a surprise for today's raffle. We have 4 monthly subscriptions for plural side.
Karen, can I suggest
Karen, hi. The link is not working.
Wait a moment. I will check. Maybe privacy, this kind of stuff. Okay.
you have to turn on the raffle. Maybe it's closed. It's not accepting.
Oh, it's closed. It's okay. Got it. Now it's open. Sorry, guys.
And
does it work? Can anyone confirm it?
no, let me check.
Yep, it works.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Karen, can I suggest you something? When you do the raffle, can you copy the link of the meet that you have in your and open it in another browser? Leave the volume, the audio on, but turn off the camera and push, instead of join, push present. And this way we can hear all the noise goes on in your computer. And do you remember last time no noise?
Yes. Again, how should I do this? I will start to share my screen soon.
Give me 1 second. I'll show you how.
Yeah. Okay.
Just 1 second. Yeah. So basically, you don't use this button here at the bottom. What you do, let me see if can you see my screen? Let me.
I can see your screen. Oh no, not yet.
Okay, it's coming.
Yeah, now I can see. Yeah.
Give me just 1 second. 1 second. It was conflicting with the other, and you could not see what I'm showing you. So basically, 1 second.
I know how to increase my microphone on. The quick map seems fine.
Nice. So basically, I'm not sure if it's showing. It says I'm presenting. Okay, it's presenting. So see here at the top, you go and copy this link. And let me close this. Right. So I go in another tab and I paste it.
Yes.
And here you leave the audio on, turn off the camera because we need to hear the noise, and you click present. Can you see this one? Present.
Oh, okay.
So, but leave the audio on because in this way we can hear the noise. Otherwise, you will not be able to hear it.
Okay, interesting.
Before I didn't use it, and with this thing here that we are doing here at the bottom is not really the same experience.
So we have 16 responses. Come on, guys, you can do it better. We have more people in the call right now than 16 responses. Make sure to go and
everybody else don't want the prizes, you know.
Oh, don't upset us. Come on.
And what's this prize all about?
Dino, did you fill out the feedback?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's see what you win.
I do not know.
We will see. It's a suspense. You know what means suspense? You know, when you roll the and waiting there, the drones.
Yeah. So now we have 20 responses. Okay.
Wow, good. I will not fill
21. So it grows. It grows. Let's
I'm
wait.
I'm filling it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, go, Brijesh, go for it.
But can I see this? Oh, Raffle there.
Yeah, we will show it. Wait a little bit. We are preparing everything, okay?
Yeah, also giving people some time to fill it out completely.
Definitely.
Okay. So let me try this way how you told me to share my screen. Okay. Present. Entire screen. Oh, it looks slightly different than usual.
Somehow in your side, it's if you use the. Maybe we have all of us to be muted. Let's try all of us to be muted. Brijesh, can you mute? I mute myself. Let's mute ourselves. No noise. No noise. No noise. No noise. You have presentation now. Yes, audio. It's underneath. You have presentation audio. Under the stop presentation, you have a button, and you can turn it off. Oh, okay.
It was a mess. I will do it without
yeah,
claps.
that's okay.
Sorry for this.
Too much technology, you know.
Yeah, I heard in the stream it was going crazy. Sorry for that.
That's okay.
It was like 3D rap music.
Yeah, yeah.
I have recorded. Let me try to play.
That's so embarrassing.
DJ Karen.
That's so embarrassing that there might be any comment echo online echo Dean.
You know, learn from our mistakes. You have to make it better. You are the new generation.
Yep. And that disturbs me and make my foot numb. Oh wow.
Don't make these embarrassing jokes. Are you ready, Kat? Yeah.
So sharing it old school way.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you can see my screen.
Yeah.
We got 24 responses. It makes, oh yeah, I should actually share the private data with emails and everything. But yeah, here we will just insert these names and before, and I would say let's go for the first spin. We have 4 spins.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it was close. Carlos Moreno.
Thank you.
Can you hear the clap?
Yes.
No.
Thank you, Karen.
No,
Yeah,
we
you're welcome. Okay. But this wheel is also, we are removing every name which won. So basically, is that you cannot win 2 times in one session. Let's go for the second spin now.
second prize.
It's a close one. Yogesh. Oh, interesting. Ooh, remove all instances.
Yeah, because maybe he hit submit twice, so that's why.
Okay.
So remove all instances. So you remove him.
Yeah. Okay.
Congratulations, Carlos and Yogesh. Yay!
Yeah, let's see who will be the third winner today.
Hey, Carlos.
It's Linda.
No, I didn't.
No,
I don't fill out the form at all.
it's Kalan. Congratulations.
Wow. I also
Oh.
believe, Linda, if everybody win, then I can win.
Yeah. So
For
let's.
sure.
You can even shuffle the names you have in the top there.
Oh, okay. Next time I will. Yeah. Oh, it's Deepak.
My name was there, but he pushed it. My name was there, but he pushed it.
So Deepak.
Yeah, once we remove the name, it just jumps on another name as well. So maybe it was the case. But yeah, we
Hey,
have winners now. Congratulations.
This week we had less money, less prizes.
Yeah.
So let's find more sponsors.
Yeah.
We are working hard here. We should get more prizes for you guys.
Oh, come on.
Dino, why did you do Dino?
Because I signed up for this. One time I won a raffle in the DevFest 2020 on 42 Silicon Valley, and that's how I resulted getting a Google Home Mini.
Wow.
Another one.
Nice.
Literally, another one.
Where do you live, Dino?
Not sure. Maybe
in US, in Asia?
Fremont on US.
Ah, US. You speak good English.
Yep. But my speaking voice will be
better.
Not sure.
Are you going to school?
No. It will happen on August, almost the end of August.
Nice. At least you can learn Google Cloud in meantime when you go to school. What class are you going?
Not sure.
Elementary or something?
Yep. So I'm starting I'm gonna catch up after the online class.
Okay, you can teach in your class to everybody the GCP, so they get certified when they are like 12 years old, just like you know.
Yep, maybe I have to split screen on my Zoom and my Google Cloud.
That's actually a good point, Linda. I think I was thinking yesterday why Google doesn't have anything for schools, like
They have.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What kind of program?
If I find it, give me just 1 second.
Something they have for for professionals. It's GDG more or less. They have DSCs for students.
Yeah.
But I don't know anything for schools, like for a little
schools,
bit older
they have
people.
normal computer science classes. I think it's Garage. Yeah, let's see. Google Classroom, I think. and they have like computer science classes. Give me 1 second. You can talk in meantime.
Ritesh is writing in the chat, Google for Students Coding.
Yeah, something. Teachers can bring it in schools if you like. You can. They have coding camps for kids. Yeah.
Deepak is writing they have coding camps for school kids.
Yeah. Google Code Camp for kids. I'm Googling it. I seen it, but because code with Google for education. This one, I share my screen. Give me just 1 second. And maybe Dino can be interested in. I'm not sure.
What?
Here. They have this Google for education. Wait a second, it's coming up. Now you should be able to see it. So they have like computer science classes for students for, did you see, for elementary school, and they can learn. I can share the link for Dino. I don't know if this is a long link, so don't blame me. I just copy it from there. Google it. So, and they have CS first, computer science first. You have an introduction to the fundamentals. Did you see 9 to 14 years old? This should be good for you, Dino. You can get started. It's for 8th graders after they have applied computer skills for higher education. Here for 9-14 again, help students bring their stories to life and so on. So they have, teachers can bring these programs in schools.
That's pretty cool, I would say.
Yeah.
So are you mentioning the app Grasshopper? Because in the Google Play Store, I know that Grasshopper is made by Google.
Yeah.
It's a different thing. It's correct. They created it. It's to learn programming in a simple way. But what Linda is showing right now, it's a program for schools actually, where you can learn basics of computer science, and it's a kind of nice way to get going in this kind of engineering world and programming.
Oh, yeah, they show you. Did you see they have like?
Oh, nice.
You know.
It's
I
Scratch,
actually
right?
Scratch. I teach in school at a boot camp for kids last year.
Did it work?
Yeah. Oh man, you should see what projects they build. I was like, what? I was like, I showed them how to put things together, to play drums, play guitar. They did a band singing all the song. I said, oh man, you should see, like, amazing what kids can do, At the end, we had like boot camp 2 weeks. At the end, everybody had some projects. It was like amazing. You don't have, children have all this imagination that you, and try it, Dino. I put the link on, and here is the computer science if you are interested. Summer of Code, yeah, also, yeah, good point. Who shared it? Kartik, great. Here, go and explore it. You have energy, you have time, just go and do it. Yeah, nice.
That's very cool.
Yeah. This I teach to kids in school. Sometimes I do it, It's not for the pay because they don't pay you like, like when you do some coding jobs, like build a website or something. But it's the fun that you get with children. It's so nice. I remember when I went first day, these children, they will not even say good morning or something. They will go to their bench or something. And I says, no. Here, when we come in the morning, we have to say good morning. So I don't know if everyone saw in YouTube that they have these videos. The teacher have different kind of to say hello in the morning, no? You can say high five, you can give a hug, you can, I don't remember all of them. So I printed it myself, and the first day, or the pinky, the first day they will only just come and give a high five. And the last day when we had to, the last days, they will always want to only everybody hugs. It was so funny, you know. I didn't expect it because, you know, in the beginning they were so shy, all in their place, and kids are so special, you know. It's a great experience. If you get a chance to go to teach children, just go and do it. It's the best experience ever that you can have.
So Dino, can you program with something, or you messing with this kind of technologies, or you're a completely newbie?
What?
He's not newbie. What?
Yeah, so next time maybe you can present your Scratch project or something like that.
Yeah.
Yes. During the DevFest 2021.
No, next time.
Wait for the DevFest. You can do it next week, Tuesday, in our call.
We want to see your Scratch project. You can go here, create an account. Because you are under 18 years old, you might have to have your parents to put their email address or something. But here are some projects you can explore or other people, and here are ideas, and they teach you step by step how to do it. For example, you go, let's say, here when I was teaching them to play. So you have step by step what to do for each project. Here is the video. I think this one is the video, and they show you what to do.
You can use Scratch to make music, create a song, make a beat, or anything else you can imagine. To get started, pick a sprite. I'll pick the saxophone. Now let's make it interactive. I'll make the saxophone play a sound when I click it. Click the green arrow to see this code again and explore what else you might add to your project.
So yeah. So Dino, we are waiting to see your projects next week. Keep in mind. We are looking forward. And here you can go.
Okay, got it. Since I need to have my quick labs done first.
Yeah.
The
quick labs.
On Study Jam. I have to focus more on Study Jam.
Did you see he is focused on Google Cloud? So we are wasting our times here. He is a fan. So we should promote him to Google to tell them that, look, we have a 12 years old fan of Google Cloud, and he will not give up nothing for taking all the quick labs, and great. We promoted you.
Yep, since I got many Google devices like the Pixel Book or my Pixel XL.
Nice. I have Google devices. I always fight with them. I tell to Google to turn off the lights, and they say, I'm sorry, some devices are offline or something. I always he doesn't understand that they are just unplugged. I don't have I unplugged them. I don't want it. So maybe you can come and talk with my Google devices also.
Got it.
You should make some app, you know, in Google devices. Actually, they have actions. They call actions them. Give me just 1 second. If you are interested in that. Give me just 1 second. After you are done with the Google GCP, you can do this. You go here, actions. On Google, I think they call it, how they call it. And they have even code labs that you can learn. Yeah, let's say quick labs. And you can learn how to do it. And after you just Google Cloud Assistant. Yeah. I think last week, if you did the quick labs, last week they had using the Google Cloud Assistant to answer questions on coronavirus. Did you manage to do that, Dino? Oh. Because I'm not signed in, they don't show. But anyways, they have many of these labs, and you can learn, and after you can go to create your own solutions and build apps and sell it on the store. And I wish you good luck. Okay, guys, we have another 8 minutes.
Yeah.
Who wants to take the microphone?
Otherwise, we will be meeting each other next Tuesday again, same time, same place. But I think we have someone, right, who want to speak up.
Actually, for the prizes, I want only to mention something. Yeah. If you can give us like 24, 48 hours, sometimes after we finish these meetups, we have other things going on that we try to catch up. But definitely by tomorrow afternoon, I will get with Karen and get the prices for you guys. So
yeah,
be patient with us.
Yeah. Patience is everything, you know, here with meetups. Yeah.
Sometimes when I come here, like 10,000 emails. Oh man.
Either later today or tomorrow, you will be getting your 4 prizes for people who won. And next time we will make sure to have another raffle, right, Linda? Yeah. We will try our best.
I have something in the workings. It's almost done. They already accepted, but I have to do some steps, and I didn't figure out what steps I have to make next. So I have to read it well. Otherwise, we will have even other prizes today. But I was too slow last night, midnight. I didn't feel like to go through to read everything.
Yeah.
That's why.
And everyone, if you will have any news for us, it's not that only we will be talking. This is not what we want. We want you also to take part.
Speaking of prizes, we do have a collaboration on Android 11 meetup on Thursday, a big one. Yeah. It even involves South American GDGs mostly from Argentina. So if you want to win a subscription to Medium for a year, worth $50 each, we have 5, and we have 4 Udemy courses. And
yeah,
Linda is one of the GDGs participating in this epic event.
But there are how many GDGs? I don't have the list. Do you have the list?
That's a late time for us, I guess. This is 5 p.m. for you. For us, it will be past 6, right?
Yeah.
So our people
will be like 11 or 12 midnight.
You know, good parents have to be sleeping by this time in Europe and especially in Asia. But yeah, otherwise it's an interesting event.
The ones from the East Coast are GDG Bronx, GDG Boston. Although they didn't post it, they had some kind of disagreement.
Do I have this?
Philadelphia? I didn't update the list. GDG Philadelphia, GDG Cloud Philadelphia, and then a whole bunch in Argentina.
Oh, you have the agenda. I don't have the agenda in my. I have it. Sorry, but you have something different than mine agenda.
Oh, I just posted bios. I found bios for the speakers because it's good for people to know. The speaker is actually the chief advocate for Android. So that's a pretty good speaker, I think.
Yeah. Even Florina, if you watch the videos, Android videos,
she's pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah. She's Romanian, like me.
So on Thursday, is this the Android 11 meetup ideas?
Yeah.
So what Wikipedia says that Android discontinues the desert alphabetical desert names because you ran out of ideas.
Oh, is that right? Yeah, this is the next iOS. Still in.
No, Android OS. We are not talking about.
Yeah, I know
Yeah,
what
they
you mean,
used to
Dino.
call them
They
cookie
used to call they used to call the
desserts.
releases of Android with different tasty kind of meals and everything, delicious things. Now they started to call it with numbers.
That's a good point, Dino.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have on Thursday in our meetup group, we have a cool event. It's called Get Started with Infrastructure as Code on Google Cloud with Pulumi. It's a startup company which creates amazing products on top of Google Cloud and also other vendors, cloud vendors. So it will be a pretty popular one as well. So if someone want to attend it, I posted it into the chat as well. It's also on Thursday, but earlier than your Android event.
So can I?
So what is it exactly? What do you mean infrastructure as code?
Yeah, it's a kind of technology where you can deploy your whole setup, cloud setup, just as a script. You don't have to put it manually together. You don't have to log into the web interface and create instances and then set parameters. You can just deploy it as a code multiple times and keep this deployment always intact. The system will be checking what's going on in the cloud, and if some instances will for some reason like fail or whatever, it will recreate this kind of environment. It's a kind of professional way to create solutions, and it's a way which you can repeat, because if you do things manually, you can just miss something, especially in the configuration, or take instances from different regions and mess the things up in this way. But this infrastructure as code allows you to deploy it always, every time in exactly same way. And if you want to tune something, you just tune it in the code, it's in the script.
I
So it's
copied
pretty.
everything from you.
What is it?
I copied from Anna everything. I copied
okay.
and pasted in my event.
Oh, you mean this Android event, yeah?
Yeah.
How many people signed up? I think we have around 90 from.
Yeah, you have like 93. We have like.
I should post more on Twitter to make it 100.
Go and join, guys. Here are the links for, depending which one you like, New York City or Capital Region. I'm sending you the links. It's up to you. Yeah. And ours. If you are interested, go ahead and reserve your spot. And this one is not using Google Meet, is using Remo. So please make sure you check your system if it's working. And here is you will have the link of to connect. Okay.
I tested out and it working fine.
Great. You are impatient.
Yeah. Okay. So next time we will meet next week on Tuesday. There will be event placeholder for this Tuesday event soon. I guess we will do it today and push it. Otherwise, I think it's a wrap, right, people?
Mm-hmm. Karen, after we finish the stream, can you get on a call with me to do the things to prepare for next week?
Sure, we can.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we'll take care of them. Okay. See you next time.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Take care. Thanks. Bye. Good. Do you want to stay on this call? You can turn off the recording, Karen.
I think so. Yeah. Let's turn